Hello guys, this is our third video of MERN Stack series. In this video I am going to teach some HTML tags. So first of all, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. So I hope you all have downloaded and installed Visual Studio Code. Let's go to the computer screen and do some practical. From here you have to create a new folder where you want to work with. So I am creating a new folder in the desktop. I am naming this series as a MERN and MERN folder. Open with code. Select open with code option so that it opens Visual Studio Code for us. This is the welcome screen of Visual Studio Code. Now from here at the left hand side, this is our folder and you can create a new file and new folder here also. Now we have to create a new file where we want to work as a HTML. So I am creating tut1.html file. So first of all, write exclamation mark and click on emit abbreviation. By doing this, it gives us the boilerplate of the HTML. It automatically gives us the boilerplate of HTML. So the first line, that is doctype HTML, describes that what type of file it is. And the second line is describing the language of the file, that is English. Lang is equal to en, English. After that, head tags. Always remember all the tags have closing tags also, like closing in /html, /head and /body tag. First of all, come to the body part. All the things which we want to show on our web page is always in the body tag. So start with our first heading. We have 6 heading tags like h1 tag, h2 to h6. H1 tag is the bigger heading, so we will write here hello world. Save the file and copy the path of the file from here. Once you copy the path of the file, go to the web browser and paste it, and you get the output hello world. So this is the first heading. Now similarly like h1, we have h2 tags, h3 tag, h4 tag, h5 tag and h6 tag. Now we will write h2 tag also, so that we can differentiate what is the difference between all the heading tags. And I am also writing here h3 tag. Save it and go again to the browser and refresh the page. See, all the 3 heading tags showing hello world here. Here the question arises is how we can use these heading tags. So h1 heading should be used for main headings, followed by the h2 headings, then the less important h3 and so on. The point to be noted here is use these tags only for headings. Don't use heading tag to make text big or bold. That's enough for this video. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. See you soon guys.